Hi everyone. Welcome to PDF.co. Today you will learn how to convert PDF into text with Bubble API connector. We will use this sample PDF invoice in this demo. First, log into your Bubble account and click My Templates. In My Templates page, click the New Template. Next, create a new template by filling out the template form. Then, click the edit icon to open a new template. Now, click on the Start with a blank page button and close the assistant. Under the visual elements, click or drag input for the source file. And add button to send the request. Then, click on the Plugins tab and add plugins. Look up for API connector to install new plugins. Once you're done installing the API connector plugin, click on the Add Another API button. Let's set up the API connector configuration. In the API name field, type in your desired API name. In the name field, enter your preferred name. In the Uses drop-down box, choose the Action option. Select Post for the method and enter the PDF.co PDF to text API endpoint. You can get the PDF to JSON API endpoint in your PDF.co API docs. In the Data Type drop-down box, enter your desired data type. For the first key under headers, add X API key. And enter PDF.co API key for the value. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. For the second key under headers, type accept. And type an application/text for the value. Let's add parameters. Under parameters, enter the URL param for the key. And input the source file URL for the value. Then, tick on the Queries checkbox. And click on the Initialize Call button. Once the API connector was set up correctly, PDF to text will return a sample value. Let's go to the Workflow tab and click on the box to add an event. Then, click the Elements and an element is clicked option. Click on the Add an Action box and select PDF.co PDF to text-PDF to text plugins. Let's add the dynamic data and select the input source file's value. Let's add another action, select the navigation and choose the Open an External Website. Then, choose the result of PDF to text body URL for the destination. And click the Preview button. Add the source file URL and click the Send Request button to get the output. Here's the converted text output. We've got a lot of video tutorials. You may visit our YouTube channel and please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.